Welcome. If you've ever forgotten your Pinterest password or just want to double-check what it is, you're in the right place. Today, I'm going to show you a simple, step-by-step guide on how to find your Pinterest account password right from your PC using the latest update. No complicated tricks, no third-party apps, just a straightforward process to help you access your password in seconds. Let's get started. First, open up your favorite web browser and head over to Pinterest.com. Make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're on your Pinterest homepage, look over to the left side of your screen. You'll see a menu with several options. Click on Settings. This will take you to a new page where you can manage all your account details. Now, in the Settings menu, look for the section called Account Management. Click on it to expand more options related to your account. Here, you'll see various settings, including your email, password, and other account preferences. Next, find the password field. Right next to your password, you'll notice a small eye icon. This icon is your key to revealing your hidden password. Simply click the eye icon, and your Pinterest password will instantly become visible. Take a moment to note it down or update it if you need to. It's important to remember that this feature is designed for your security. You may be asked to confirm your identity, either by entering your current password or verifying through your email, just to make sure it's really you making these changes. And that's it. With just a few clicks, you can easily find your Pinterest password on your PC, thanks to the new update. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with anyone who might need a little extra help managing their Pinterest account. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.